Hi, I'm Questionnaire. I'm a well-experienced digital marketer. I specialize in social media ads management. I will be uploading videos that will answer that same question you keep asking yourself over and over. How can I make money online? I will be here to work with you anytime. Kindly watch, like, comment, hit the notification button to get notified once I upload my next video and subscribe. Thank you.
Thank you guys. So guys, in this video I'm going to explain to you guys how to use Klipfolio to boost your business and to help your clients better. So Klipfolio, this Klipfolio website helps you to have full and good detailed analytics of every ads, every marketing you're running on your buyer's project. Remember, I explained what HubSpot means, and this HubSpot and Klipfolio, they have to work together. It's like connecting two servers together in order to blast more campaigns, see more insights, in-depth insights. So do jump on your browser right now, type the keyword Klipfolio, scroll down. As you can see, the first website you're going to see is not Klipfolio, so you have to scroll down and click on the second website, which is Klipfolio, Business Dashboard and Analytics Software. So I'm going to jump down now to my dashboard on Klipfolio. Once you click on that link, sign up. Once you sign up, they will ask you a few questions. They will ask you how many members do you want to be, how many members do you want to entails in this stuff. You had your specific member, it could be 9 to 5, it could be 10 to 12, any amount. Once you had it there, had the specification of you creating the account, to manage ads, for marketing, anything you want to do. So right now, this is my Klipfolio dashboard. So my Klipfolio dashboard, I connect some data together with this Klipfolio account in order for me to see full insights. As you can see, this is paid ads, orders, organic, direct, social, referrals, email, offline. As you can see, full details. As you can see, this is a pyramid that explains everything, how everything works and how everything is going. As you can see, contract, leads, qualified leads, wins. So this Klipfolio helps you to know the future of your buyer's business, how it's going to go, and when they stop working with you, how things will keep going. You will know it here. And if you want the buyer to do this, tell them to create this Klipfolio account from wherever their location is, and once their 14 days free trial is end, always notify them before you sign up on Klipfolio. Notify them that they are going to buy a plan in the next 14 days. In order for all the things they are doing to be intact and they shouldn't lose any information. So guys, once you do that, just inform them, teach them how to do everything. When they are not working with you anymore, in order for them to keep working with you, you understand? It's all a tips for you to keep making money and for you to keep your clients on follow-up. Good. So right now, I'm going to click on this, connect your data. Once you click on connect your data, there will be so many options that will pop up on the screen. As you can see, I already connected my HubSpot account here. That's why it's showing my HubSpot here. If you want to upgrade kits, you can upgrade the kit here, but I'm going to click on cancel. But if I happen to connect my HubSpot, there will be so many other options that you will see there. So many other analytics software that you see there. And if you have the every other ones, just click on it and add it here. Once you click on it, add a matrix. This add a matrix allows you to add like Facebook ads and some other things. So this website helps you to have full in-depth and full details of analytics on anything you are doing. So it's one of the best websites I would recommend to anybody, and it will really work out for you very well. And just take your time, check all these keys and all these buttons one by one. As you can see, before I can use this, I have to upgrade. As you can see, this is upgrade. As you can see, this is Facebook. This is Facebook ads, Google ads, Google Analytics, Google Analytics 4, and as you can see, HubSpot. I told you about HubSpot earlier. Instagram business. If you're running ads on Instagram, LinkedIn. As you can see, LinkedIn is here. Mailchimp, QuickBooks, Shopify. Many things is here. If you want to run ads on LinkedIn page, LinkedIn ads, Mailchimp, email marketing, everything, you can see everything is on this Klipfolio website. So it's a really good place to work on, and it's going to boost your clients' revenue. So far, they are ready to give it all it takes. And for you to connect all these things, you can see, for you to put all these things to a buyer, they're going to work with you for a very, very long period of time. Because, for example, they don't have a Facebook business page, they don't have an Instagram page business page, they don't have a Twitter business page, they don't have a YouTube business page. So all these pages you're going to create for them is you're going to upsell them. So you have to give them a plan that contains and entails everything at once, which is going to give them a total cost of everything. You check a plan on Klipfolio, recommend the plan they will go for, and just give them the specific bill for everything, and you get really paid well, and they will get their exact result they are looking for. So you don't just collect money for anything, but you give them the best service nobody can give them. Let me go down to Fiverr right now. So I searched the keyword Klipfolio. Just 8 sellers are on this search tag. Many people have not know how Klipfolio works. Many people have not been using Klipfolio on Fiverr. So that's why I put it forward to you. It's just only one page here. If you create this gig right now, you're going to find your gig on first page. As you can see, it's just 2 lines here. Just 2 lines, guys. Just 2 lines. Create this gig now. Start staying active on it and start boosting your business. You can add Twitter Klipfolio, you can add Facebook Klipfolio, everything. Mix everything up. Make sure Klipfolio appears in your keyword on Fiverr in order for you to earn more and in order for you to sell more. Thank you very much, guys. I really appreciate your time. See you in my next video. Stay tuned. Have a nice day, guys.